Hello, trading is closed on September 15th, 2021. We always start with our disclaimer. Let's get that out of the way. It's my trading plan for tomorrow, September 16th, 2021. Please trade at your own risk because I can be completely wrong. We didn't have a call for today. Here's what we said. I was looking for a rally yesterday. Couldn't explain why we didn't have it. The explanation is clear now. It came a day late, but wasn't clear to me last night. I've seen some predictions fail in grand style, and coming a day late isn't the end of the world, but it doesn't make any money when you don't have any call. Look for the pattern with the early low, which is right here, and tomorrow's pattern should have the early high. During the day, MEJT gave an ultimate buy signal in the morning, said this drop was false, that it wouldn't stick, came back, said this rally wasn't going to stick, came back. Here it gave a buy signal and an ultimate buy signal in the afternoon, and that's all played out. This looks like a healthy rally, but it's not. Breadth didn't improve. After rallying all day, we closed under this high. This is how we closed under all the highs. So the day-long rally couldn't break the pattern of lower lows and lower highs, and that's a negative pattern. Now, I don't know how I open tomorrow. If we take this out early tomorrow, all this negativity goes away. And that we don't know. But as of right now, this hasn't accomplished anything. It also completes an ABC, where this is a Fibonacci percentage, 78.6 of the prior wave. And if you look, you'll see that black C and black A with an expanded flat have a good fib ratio too. So this is it's one of the places where this ABC could end. It could even be the end of brown B, but supposedly when you have this Indian diagonal triangle, which is what I'm calling it, supposed to retrace to the origin, that hasn't happened yet. So if we can't take this high out early, I look for lower prices, but I'm not convinced we're going to resume this decline until we see this high overcome. If we start dropping in spades, though, I wouldn't hold out for that because we have pretty negative action longer term. Tomorrow's pattern has the early high. We could still gap down. Day-long rally couldn't manage a close over prior highs, stopped at the fib target of prior patterns. Maintained at the open, that's today's close, should see lower prices even if we don't close lower. Gapping and promptly overtaking today's high invalidates the call. I do think we should see somewhat higher prices at some point before the decline resumes, because the reversal from yesterday's ending diagonal triangle should return to the origin of the pattern, but if we gap down smartly, I'm not going to wait for it. Breadth did not improve. It gives more reason to believe when this bounce ends, the decline should resume, but we still haven't undercut a significant prior low. Until that's achieved, you can't be overly confident. Finally, Yom Kippur begins at sundown tonight. We might get subdued action tomorrow associated with holiday markets. It isn't guaranteed. I've seen some good moves on Yom Kippur, but it happens reasonably often. So tomorrow's pattern has the early high. Bulls need to clear this early or we should see lower prices, which isn't a guarantee that we close lower. But so far, the day-long rally today hasn't broken the pattern of lower highs and lower lows, and that's what you need to do to prove this is not just a flash in the pan. Early high tomorrow, and that is today's call.